really nice. Looks really good. Love the wheels. Got that pure white paint. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 64,123 miles on the odometer. Steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmies to it. The cabin is really quiet. Suspension feels good. Shift's nice and smooth. I'm gonna hit the brakes kind of hard here. Brakes are solid, no issues there. Really no complaints with the drivability, really nice. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at this wheel, you do have rash down there. And you have a scratch here on that spoke. Looking at the tires, date code, looks like 2023. Extreme Contact Sport 02s. Here on that fender, looks good. Side mirror, a light scuff there. Here on the plastic, couple little scuffs. A-pillar looks good. Roof looks nice there. I do see some scratches in the paint here. They do catch my nail. Very subtle though. Got a light scuff there. You have a little scuff here. It looks worse than it is. Some just real light scuffs here and there. This wheel, you got some rash. Date code on that tire, 2024. The rest of that wheel looks good. Got the window tint all the way around. Here on the edge, typical rock impacts. I only see one really visible chip though. Scanning the top. That looks good. Here in the front, a couple little rock chips. You have some more down here. And then of course that lower splitter does have some rash on it. And the front end looks good though. Just little chips. Overall that fender looks nice. That wheel has some gashes right here. Date code on this tire, 2023. That looks good. Got some chips here. Some light scuffs. You do have a gash right there. This paint is that like pure white, it's not pearl, so a lot of those I think can be touched up really easy since they don't have that like metallic to them. That wheel looks good. Date code 2024 on the tires. Massive panoramic roof. Upper section here looks good. Back bumper, a couple light scuffs, got a chip there. You're gonna see the wear on that edge. Some more light scuffs, but overall really nice. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. All those buttons look good, handles clean, lower panel looks good. That trim is nice. Got the all-weather mats. A little bit of dirt right here, some stains. That bolster looks amazing. Same here. These seats have done really well. They do not look worn out or anything. The steering wheel, it's in great condition. These buttons look good. Automatic headlights, 64,000 miles. I mean, that screen is clean. Heated seats. Got the multi-zone climate, push button start, all the drive modes, parking sensors. That console looks good. You do have a little scuff right here. Otherwise, this side looks really, really nice. Here on that door panel, that looks good. Now you do have some kind of black overspray or some sort of flaw here, and the trim's kind of lifting up with the dent. Got the all-weather mats. That bolster looks amazing. The bottom of the seat here looks good. Upper section looks nice. Very, very clean. Dash looks nice. This side's really nice. Here on the back right door panel, that's in great condition. This trim looks good. Bottom of the seat looks good. Really no complaints. These are really, really clean. Got the all-weather mats, and there's a ton of space. That's massive. Got the big pano roof. Here in the back, that's nice and clean. It looks really good. And it is a manual close. Right, checking out the engine bay. Duralast Platinum battery. I don't see a date on it though. Everything in here looks nice. Got the hood struts. Liner looks good. Really nice engine bay.